I wanted to talk a little bit about CLF Natural Resources. You can see here, this is about a 7-month chart here. I'm looking at my dailies. And we've gone from up here at $11 as low as $4.15 right here. So if we look at the last move from here to here, putting up a Fibonacci, we can measure exactly how much power exists in that retracement, right? And what we can see, let me just extend a little bit further. What we can see here is that indeed in our retracement from this move, we retraced back to this reversal zone here, just cracking the 50% zone. And from that time, we've been sort of squatting on $5 a share, just sort of waiting our time. And it kind of makes sense, $5 a share, nice even round number. There's a little bit of expectation out there that, you know, gosh, commodity prices have got to rise at some point. And, you know, CLF is looking like a good trade on that. So I'm going to zoom in a little. And we see here we've got a couple of piercing lower wicks or shadows or tails, whatever you want to call them, just below that $5, but we didn't have anything that was sustaining, right? So we came up here, took a little shot there, and now we've come back down to this $5. Here is what I like, is we just look back on Thursday of last week, right? What we've got here is we've got a very solid move up. 10 million shares traded. Our high was 555 and our low was 522. So, you know, you're talking about, what's that, 38 cents? Nope. 42 cents. There we go. I don't think we're talking about that. So what are we talking about there in terms of price? That range, you know, it's showing up, it's what, 33 cents. Okay, 33-cent move on a 550 price stock. That's a pretty good move for us, right? So we're definitely picking up some room here in our volume. We're picking up room here in our average true range, and we've got this nice little, you know, kind of doji here. I wouldn't put a whole lot of credence on where we are in terms of open and close on that. The big thing that I'm looking for is I'm looking to see if we're going to get some action if we break this high here at 555. If we do, definitely after the market opens, I'm going to go ahead and take this long and you know, see what we can do to pick up our 30, 35 cents, 40 cents, something like that. You can see we've got $6 right here above us, so that might be a reasonable target too. All right, enjoy.